Hi, so this is Nonto, and I'm doing this as proof for the kind of snow that fell. So this is a cooking thing. It's about, let's say, 11 inches. You can measure it against the size of a big pot or the size of a dispenser thing. Yeah, so you can see how big it is. I say it's about almost 10, 11 inches. And I'm going to go to my backyard and put it in the snow just to show you how much snow fell. Yep, and this is me in my backyard. You can see a ton of snow. Yeah, you can see that. So that's about 5, 6, maybe 7 inches. So you see, yeah, there you go, proof. The proof.